What's going on, guys? Yesterday you saw Jasmine making the chicken adobo. Today I'm gonna be making, what am I making?
That's how you know this man don't cook.
I'm making brown stewed chicken. I'm making brown stewed chicken.
Are you? Are you really?
I forgot what I was making, and yeah, it's been a long day. What can I say? So I've already chopped up the meat, washed it. That's ready. We're using chicken.
What did you wash it with?
Washed it with water.
Okay.
And my hands.
Oh, okay.
Washing up liquid. So we're using chicken breast because I don't really like chicken thigh. Do you like chicken thigh?
Yeah, I don't mind it.
But we're using chicken breast for this one
Yeah.
anyway. That's our preference, for my preference. I'm the chef today. I'm going to chop up the vegetables, get everything ready, marinate it all. I'll take you through it as we go, but keep watching, stay tuned, it's going to be delicious. First of all, I'm just going to chop the peppers. I'm going to chop all the vegetables, get them ready. Get them ready to go. I'm going to chop the onion. Oh, I forgot about onion. That's such a pain in the arse chopping.
So good, baby. I'm so proud of you.
So I chop that up more, do you think? Yeah, chop it up into...
Depends, what do your ancestors say?
Yeah, they like to chop it up more. I'm sure there's like a way of chopping this onion so that you don't cry. I seen it on TikTok where I'm trying to remember what it was. I think I like chop one of these ends off. I think it's this end.
TikTok is so educational these days.
It's where I learned everything. Told me all I know. I'm sure it's like this. Then.
TikTok turned you from a boy into a man.
Turned me from a man to a boy.
I turned you from a boy into a man. I tell you everything you need to know. That's LIB, guys, if you didn't watch the last season.
It's an LIB reference. Then I think you need to like cut it like this. Just down to there.
Okay.
But not all the way down.
Are your eyes watering?
No, because I think the watering bit's in that bottom part in the stalk, is it?
Okay.
So we don't cut into the stalk, apparently.
You're good to go. Well, listen, we learn something new every day.
Let's see if it works first.
Yeah, be careful. We don't want a bloody onion.
Bloody don't.
Mind them cute little thumbs.
It's something like that.
Okay. And then down.
And it's like that. But is it all...
Right.
Oh, I can feel it.
Were you crying?
Come on. Just get a bit emotional when I cut onions.
Don't cry, baby. It's okay. I love you.
Just the pain of cutting these vegetables. Now, watch this.
Oh, wow. Smart.
Ready?
Okay. Wow. And that's what you call professional, my friend.
See that?
That's what you call a professional onion chopper. By the name of Bobby Johnson.
That's how we do, guys. No tears, not many.
I've not seen anything like it, to be honest. But, I'm here for it.
It's just got me at the end now.
Oh no.
Right at the end. That's good though, isn't it?
Yeah, really good.
So yeah, the tears came from right at the end when I cut into the stalk. But if you do it properly like that and don't cut into the stalk, you won't get tears. So
There you go.
little tip there from Chef Johnson.
Love that.
Anyway,
Yes, chef!
I'm gonna add these to some peppers that I prepared earlier.
You're doing a great job, sweetie.
Okay, coming up next. So the vegetables are all chopped. What we're gonna do now is time to marinate the chicken. We're gonna add some sea salt, some black pepper. Voila, just like this. Add in some paprika, Jasmine's favorite. She loves the paprika. So adding in some Dunn's River everyday seasoning. Some Dunn's River chicken seasoning as well.
Wow.
I'm gonna add in some ground allspice.
Okay.
Give it some time. I'm gonna sprinkle some of that as well. A bit of flavour. more. Some chopped ginger, very lazy like me, very lazy chopped ginger. It's already chopped for me so I don't have to go through that. A little bit more of that in there. I'm going to add in 4 garlic cloves. I might just go for a whole garlic actually because I feel like you can never have too much garlic. We do like our garlic.
We do love our garlic, don't we?
We do, and I just feel like it's going to give it...
How are you finding our new like tool?
I'm not
we
sure
never had
I
this
like
before.
it really, it just seems to come out the wrong way.
Do you not like it?
See, it comes out backwards. Maybe I'm using it wrong.
Yeah. So what else are you making with this brown stew chicken? What else are you going to put?
I'm going to make some rice and peas.
Wow. Like from scratch?
Yes. Maybe.
What do you mean by that?
Oh, I might have a few shortcuts up my sleeve.
This it smells really good already.
I think that's enough garlic, you know.
Yeah. Oh, it's giving seasoned king. How are you feeling? Are you feeling calm?
Feeling very calm, feeling confident,
Yeah.
feeling like everything's going to plan so far. We're going to mix.
You'd be great on Come Dine With Me.
Mix all that in.
Oh my god.
But now mixing it in, I'm kind of feeling like it might need more.
Look at those hands.
It might need more of what I've... With all this...
You look so sexy, like, cooking.
I should do it more often.
Honestly, you look so sexy doing that. So Bobby's added more seasoning.
Just want to make sure this is full. Don't worry, I'm going to mix all that up.
Doesn't it hit differently when your man is cooking for you? Like, because I usually cook in the household, but the fact that Bobby's cooking for me tonight just feels like really special. Right, baby?
Yeah, how's that looking?
Let's see. Looks very good.
And what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to add in the vegetables, and I'm going to add in the onion, and we're going to brown that. We're going to marinate that for about at least half an hour.
Half an hour.
Overnight would be perfect, just like your...
I've never tried browning sauce before.
No.
No.
You don't have browning sauce, you could like make your own, or you could use maybe some soy sauce, but we got the real stuff. Some browning for the colour. Just add that.
Wow.
Should be.
So that's going to give that brown stew chicken colour.
Add our veg.
Oh, so you add it all together.
That's what I'm doing.
Love that.
So people have their own methods, but we like to work at speed over here.
So it's like a one pot pan basically.
Yeah, I think a lot of people do it separate, so they might do the chicken and then marinate that on its own.
Yeah.
And add everything after. But you know, my method. It's my method.
What's in the microaggression, Bobby?
That's why it's called Bobby's brown stew chicken.
That actually looks really good already.
I could have used a bigger bowl, to be honest. But so we're gonna heat the pan. Once the pan's heated up, I'm gonna add the vegetable oil, chicken. This is now marinated. Left it for 30 minutes, so it should be pretty much ready. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add the oil. Now the fun starts. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. But yeah, I'm gonna also actually add some brown sugar once I put it in the pan. Okay, let's do this.
Wow, that looks pretty good.
We're gonna fry that for about 5 minutes until the chicken is done. I'm gonna put in a little bit of brown sugar as well. We're gonna eyeball this.
We trust you, chef.
Okay, that smells good.
That sounds good.
So this is my favourite Jamaican dish. But to be honest, this is the first time I've ever made it. So who knows how it's gonna turn out. But yeah, it's my favourite one to eat. But if this comes out good, I'm gonna make this again. Make it more often.
So what are you gonna do now? Like after?
I'm going to make the rice and peas. No, well, once this is fried after 5 minutes,
Yeah.
what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some corn flour with some water. Then I'm going to cover it and I'm going to let that simmer for about 30 minutes.
Okay.
In the meantime, I'm going to be kind of making my rice and peas, kind of.
What do we have here? Shall we show them?
For the rice and peas, this is what I have. I know it's a bit lazy, but like I didn't want the added stress. This is my first time making this dish. I just didn't want the added stress of having to make the perfect rice and peas as well. So obviously next time I'll bring these in. I'll make these as well, but let's just focus on one thing at a time.
All right, Gordon Ramsay.
The most important thing is the brown stewed chicken.
Yeah.
I shall be mixing 2 tablespoons of corn flour to 500 ml of water, and this is going to be added to the pan, and this is going to just really thicken the stew. Add that in. Getting a bit of leak there, but that's all good. Hopefully that will thicken. I'm sure it will. That's what they told me.
Yeah.
That's what my mentor told me on TikTok. That's all mixed in nicely. Now what I'm going to do is just add in some finishing touches. I actually want to put in...
Do you want to try it first? I don't think you've ever tried it.
No, not yet.
Oh, no, yeah? Okay. Fair enough.
I trust myself.
Looks very good so far.
Trust my
I'll be
process.
honest, it looks so good.
Okay, now we got the bad boy Scotch bonnet sauce. This stuff, we're going to add some heat. Add some heat to this thing. And you can put the chilies in. We have actually got some chilies, but to be honest, they don't look the best. So I'm going to pour plenty of that in because we like it hot. That's a lot. But we do like
it hot, to be fair. Try it, try it.
Give it time.
I
just don't want to be disappointed.
You're not going to be disappointed. It looks so good.
I put a lot of hot sauce in, you know.
In the wise words of Barbie J, it takes time.
Yeah, everything worth waiting for takes time. Does that even make sense?
Yeah.
No, I don't think it does.
Everything worth waiting for takes time. Yeah, well, it makes
Does it make sense? Okay, we'll go with that.
Is it like me?
Yeah. I waited my whole life for you. Finally found you, but you know what? It's worth the wait.
No.
Hell of a wait it was. I'm also going to add in a bit of tomato ketchup.
We haven't had ketchup in our house for ages. No. We do like ketchup, but we just never have it at home.
No, we've got it. We've got a full tub.
Wow.
We're going to actually add a little bit of that. Obviously, I've added tomatoes in, but... Oh my god, I missed. I'm going to add a bit of ketchup in there as well. And that...
You know what? The indication of a true cook is someone... Ooh,
oh god.
Is someone who can eyeball all their ingredients.
That's what I mean. You just gotta know. You gotta feel it. You gotta feel it. You know, the sauce talks to me. I hold the sauce and it tells me how much to put in. The feeling. It's just this natural thing that you get. And only chefs can relate to what I'm saying.
I get you.
You will get me because you know you're the chef.
Alright, so how long is that gonna go on for?
I'm gonna simmer that. Now I'm gonna turn it down. And I'm gonna let that simmer for about 30 minutes. Okay, I'm just gonna taste the sauce. The moment of truth.
What's it taste like?
Let me try that again. Tastes very Scotch bonnety.
Does it? That is very spicy, but very good.
It's good.
Very, very good. Do you know what I think it could do a tinge of?
What?
A little bit of salt, pepper, and a dash of water, because it's too thick. Personally speaking.
I'm just going to add in a little bit more pepper, as per Jasmine's request. More salt. And that should do it. Gonna put the lid on this bad boy. And just gonna let that simmer now for about 20, 25, maybe 30 minutes. And we are finished.
Ooh.
It's done.
Yummy.
Smells delicious. Let me just stir that up. One final stir. The rice is cooked. I prepared this one earlier. Sometimes you gotta take shortcuts, guys. Next time, maybe the time after, I am gonna make the rice and peas myself.
Let's actually see what it looks like.
Now,
Oh, don't look too bad.
need to mush it up a bit. Mush, mush, mush.
Fire, fire.
Pull it, pull it.
Okay, you gonna add anything else to the plate?
We got some coleslaw we're gonna add later, but for
Ooh.
now, let's have the chicken. Let's have the brown stew chicken. And this is it, guys, the final finished product. What do you guys think?
And this is Bobby J's brown stew chicken.
And finishing off with the coleslaw. There we go.
Yummy.
That is it.
All right, taste test.
Dinner is served. Yeah, it's good.
Why do I feel scared?
I'd feel scared too if I was you.
That's really yummy.
Is it?
That is really yummy. No, we haven't had anything like this before. That's really good, babe.
Are you gonna rate it 1
Very
to 10?
well done. A good 8.5 out of 10.
Okay, we'll take that.
Missing the plantain, but...
There we have it, guys. Plantain next time. Brown stew chicken.
It's got a nice kick to it.
And that's it. Bobby J's brown stew chicken. There we have it. Done deal. The wife approves. We're good to go.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Yes.
So good.
No, I love
Better
that.
than takeaway.
I'm so happy that you like it because I was feeling the pressure. It's my first time making this and I don't cook that often, so I wanted it to be good. Put my heart into this, put my blood, sweat and tears into this meal, literally. The plates are clear. And like Jasmine, she has been raving about this.
He's proven himself to be a true Jamaican.
I told you I was. I got my stripes. That's
Yeah.
it, it's official.